Everyone loves Feng Shui that has everything to do with bringing more money into your life. And today we're going to talk about one of the easiest, simplest, and most effective ways to restructure and upgrade your relationship with money using your wallet. It's Wallet Feng Shui today. Let's get started. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Dana Claudette. I'm a modern Feng Shui master and founder of the School of Intention, a radically groundbreaking school of Feng Shui that is based on infinite possibility, creative awakening, and tons of intention. You creating your dream life, you living your best life. And part of living your best life has everything to do with bringing all the abundance you need and want into your life, and having that be something that is an easy, awesome flow. So today we're going to get into wallet feng shui because your wallet has everything to do with your relationship with money. Right now, most of us have a wallet of some sort, or you might not even have a wallet. So if you don't have a wallet and you're kind of keeping money stuffed in your pocket or crumpled up in your purse, and I've seen this before, it's totally okay. Get yourself a wallet. It doesn't have to be a fancy wallet. The wallet that I got when I made the most money ever, when it was a real turning point in my money. It was a brand new wallet and it was on sale and it was $20. It was a vegan wallet and it was perfect for everything that I needed, and it was a complete money magnet. How we view things and how we treat things have a lot to do with what comes towards these things. So if you want to make your wallet more magnetic, treating it really well is where it all begins, and it starts with decluttering. So open up your wallet and dump out everything. You're gonna start by cleaning your wallet. So clean the actual wallet itself. You can use just a regular dust cloth, a microfiber towel. You can use a tiny bit of water, just dampen the cloth a little bit. Now that's really easy. You've got it all dumped out, it's really clean. Now what? First thing to do is examine what you've been carrying around. So do you have a lot of expired cards? Do you have a lot of things that you don't like? You may be carrying around membership cards to things that you're not even really actively a part of anymore. See what has been in this wallet, because this is all stuff that's been informing your experience every time you open this wallet. The next thing to do, once you've really examined everything, you're going to put it all back together in just a moment, but once you've examined everything, gotten rid of what's expired, made notes of what you have to update, made notes of what you're not going to pick up or collect anymore, recycled all the other stuff, now it's time to really cleanse the energy of your wallet itself. So if you've been given your wallet from someone else, if someone gave you this secondhand, if you got this from a yard sale or anything else, you really want to clear the energies from it because you don't know who else has been using it. But if this is a brand new wallet for you, I still think it's important, or you've been using it for a long time, to do a little energy clearing of your wallet. And this can be very simple. It could be as easy as taking your wallet when it's empty and putting it outside for a few hours in the sun. The sun has a lot of cleansing energy. Put it outside with the intention of cleansing all energies in the wallet that do not belong. You can also put it out, if you're so in tune with the moon, you can put it out during a full moon or a new moon and intend that it has a fresh, energetic start, because everything is energy, including your money. And I know that can make you want to roll your eyes, but I'm telling you, this is very, very powerful. So you're going to cleanse all the old stories, all the old energies, all the old maybe frustrations you've had with your wallet, all the old reluctance to pull out your wallet, or feeling like, oh, I don't want to pay for something. Whatever it is, all the energies that have gotten entangled with this object are going to be released. If you want to be really fancy, you can burn some sage in your house or some incense, and you can hold your wallet in the smoke of it and imagine that you're releasing all energies that do not belong from your wallet. So now that you've got everything clean and clear, you're going to start putting things back in, but I want you to put things back in intuitively. Only carry the essentials. The less you have with you, the better. It's going to make you more efficient, and it's going to create more space for more money to arrive. So if you've got a whole pile and stack of cards of things, and you're just like, I use one card every day. I use my debit card, or I use this credit card for this, and I use this for my business expenses. Just carry those. Again, all of this helps to reorder not just the energy around money and your relationship with money, but it also helps you to reorder your sense that you are being the creator of your wealth. On that note, you're gonna put things back, the essentials, in a place where they can be easily accessed. Having something meaningful in your wallet takes it to the next level. I have a whole very small stack of very important things from very important members of my family who have passed away in my wallet, because I carry them with me and I feel that they will always bless my fortune. For you, it might be a picture of someone, it might be something else, a note that someone gave you, something that really connects you personally to your wallet is really, really powerful. Now, the biggest way to energize your wallet, which is such common sense, is to keep cash in it. Cash energizes your wallet. I know of people who work with energy who have people carry with them very large sums of cash to act as a magnet for more money. Now, I do not do that. However, I really do love to have a nice stack of bills with me, and it could be just all ones. Put it all in the same order, have it all face in the same direction, stack it by denomination so it's really, really organized for you, and keep it in your wallet and you will notice the difference. I did a video on mint and money, and if you haven't seen it yet, I will link it for you below. But you can actually rub some fresh mint leaves on your cash and then put it in your wallet, and it will energize your wallet. Now, let this be a starting point, because when you have this money in order in your wallet, it can also prompt you to get your money more in order in your computer, in your accounts, all over the place, your whole financial picture. Get it together. And if you haven't yet, the Cash Camp is coming soon and the free video series is below. If you haven't yet done them, you are going to love this. People make so much money watching these videos, and it has everything to do with strengthening your relationship with money and the energy of money so that more of it comes to you with such ease. For those of you who haven't heard the stories about people who've written themselves law of attraction checks for the amount of money that they wanted to receive, whatever amount it was, and then kept it in their wallet. They wrote it from the universe. The universe is giving me, whatever it is, write the check out to you or write the check out to cash, and then fill in the amount that you are receiving, and you can put in the note where it's from, that it's coming from your amazing work, or you won the lottery, wherever it is that you see your money coming from. Write it in and keep it in your wallet, the amount of money that you ideally would like to bring into your life. Now, I used to roll my eyes at this one all the time. I was like, this doesn't really make any sense. I don't really understand. I know that some actors have done this and made money, but I think they also worked really hard. I don't think it was just the check that they wrote. But then I had a few clients, one in particular, who had these checks very specifically in one room of his house, and they were different checks for different things, and they were all very clear, and he would spend some time looking at them and embodying them every day, sort of meditating on them, and every single one would come. And since then, I decided to give it a try, and it does actually do a lot of interesting things. And one of the things it does more than anything is makes your intention so crystal clear and really puts it in a form where you see it coming to you. Now, this is such the key point of all money feng shui and money manifestation and anything else to do with money. We have to be open to receive it. So when you do something simple like feng shui your wallet, you're opening up space for more of that stuff to arrive. You're opening up space for more money. You're allowing more of it in. The more organized you are, the more energized things are, the more you're allowing things in with ease. And it's going to be so much fun. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who you want to prosper with, because that's what makes this so much fun. We're all doing this together. If you have questions, comments, please leave them below, and there's so much more to come soon.